You are going on a field trip to the Peabody Museum of Archaeology and Ethnology at Harvard University. This museum has objects that researchers from this university have collected from all over the world. The researchers are archaeologists and anthropologists. These scientists study societies, big groups of people. They examine and look carefully at all of the things that people around the world make and use. You might see objects made by North American Native Americans, indigenous people from Mesoamerica, and craftspeople from Southeast Asia. When you arrive at the museum, you'll go into the education classroom. You'll take off your coats and put them with your lunches into the colored bins. If you need to, you can take a bathroom break. When you finish putting everything away, you'll meet your museum teacher, who will welcome you to the museum and will ask you if you remember the following 3 rules that you need to follow while you're here in the museum. The first rule is use your inside voices. You need to remember to keep your voice low because this museum is also part of a school. Behind the exhibits are classrooms where students are learning and offices where people are working. The second rule is walk, don't run. You must remember to walk slowly in the museum because the objects here are real. If you bump into something and it falls, it cannot be replaced. And we don't want you to get hurt. The third rule is only touch things that the museum teacher gives you. There are a lot of objects in this museum, but they are delicate and break easily. You can help protect them by remembering not to touch any object unless it's something your museum teacher hands to you. You will spend about an hour with your museum teacher. They will take you to an exhibition and help you learn about it. They will give you things to look at and to touch and ask for your ideas. Your school teacher and chaperones will be there too. After your museum class, you'll split into small groups of students with your chaperones. Each group will spend another hour in the museum looking around. Your teacher might give you an assignment asking you to draw things you see or to take notes to record your thoughts. You might practice observing things using a gallery hunt to help you search for objects around the museum. Your class might stay and eat lunch before going back to school. If you do, you'll eat back in the education classroom or outside if it's a nice day. Your teachers will help you to remember to spread out picnic mats and eat your lunches on top of them. When you're finished, you will help clean up the mats, fold them, and put them back before you leave. When lunch and everything else is over, you'll get back on the bus and go back to school. We know you will have a great day at the Peabody Museum. See you soon.